So how I deal with that is, before I used to feel very, very hurt that I was unable to respond to everyone. But now I've made peace with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the sense that I feel I do, لا يكلف الله نفسا إلا وسعها. Allah does not burden you with more than you can cope with. I feel I can do this, I'm going to do this. I can respond to 10 messages, I'll respond to 10. The 11th one, drop. And it's one of those things. If we can give priorities to some, like it's a follow-up thing or something you've been involved in, it's a different scenario. But you have to understand, as a human, you are not accountable for every single message that came to you to respond it. It's humanly impossible. It would need a lifetime.
Yeah.
So I've got 200 responsibilities in the day, for example. One of them is to respond to messages, for example. Which platform you're going to have to choose, and you're going to have to choose what to do and how much. And so you leave it.
Maybe that's something good for the AI.
In fact, there is a Mufti Menk AI. Somebody's actually put it up, yeah. And I don't know how effective it is or how accurate it is, but I don't know if I could actually say that I support it, because it could be very dangerous.
You know, when we're talking about the criticism and the kind of becoming more well known, and often the discussions I have with people who criticize and a whole range of people is, well, what's the alternative? And I say this as a parent now, when I look at my children, who would I rather they were following? Because you can't remove something without creating a void. And then they're complaining at the same time. Well, it's easy to go down, a rabbit hole when you start going onto social media. And if there's reminders that are coming up, etc., or we don't have events where Muslims can come and attend, get some benefit, and also socialize, would you want that completely removed? What's the alternative?
I think different people are on different levels. So a person who's on a higher level of piety will never understand why you have a massive event, for example, on a night like the 27th night. But the fact that it's fully sold out and there's so many people, and most of them are young, who come in,